Let's start.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning and good, let's say, good day, everyone. Okay. Meet me again. Okay. In the great occasion. Okay. In this great bright morning. As usual. Okay. Me and together with my greatest name on behalf of Jesus Christ, Mr. Ino, okay, or Thomas Aquino. You may call him BBC, okay? And I don't know that the longest of BBC, okay? Okay.
You're bigger than me.
Yeah, big black consistent, okay? Big black consistent, okay? Not big black anything, okay? Not out of that, okay? You promised me just now, okay? What would you like, or what do you want to discuss in this bright, clear morning, okay? Without rain, okay? And it's very cloudy, okay? And I don't have a sign of rain, okay? Today, maybe the climate or the weather in Sumbawa, still not friendly yet, yeah? We're still waiting for the rain
Today
to
we
fall
are
down,
talking
okay?
about the climate change.
On the climate change, okay? And in what months, okay? Sometimes we do have the rainy seasons, okay? During what month, okay? In the month of January or December?
No, it usually start from October to April.
Early, it starts from October, okay? Yeah.
To April.
Okay, so when we have rain, okay, in Sumbawa or majority in West Nusa Tenggara, okay? Do you have a desire to plant something?
We plant corn.
You plant corn, okay? And what else? What would you like to plant? Besides corn and paddy, okay? Or rice,
Yes.
yeah? How about the soybean? Mung beans, okay? Green beans, seem like mung beans, okay? The Thailand's sometimes call the green beans as mung beans.
And
Okay?
paddy I never plant because my friend in my office always giving and support me every week.
Okay,
So
I
I
know
never buy that.
I know that.
Thank you for all the
rice,
your
yeah.
kindness.
Thanks for our friends' support and kindness, yeah?
Yes.
For much
They are
rice
very
has been
kind.
given to you, yeah?
Kind people and loving.
Okay. Thank you very much for all of our friends in this great office, okay?
Yes.
Most of them are kindly with love, okay? To you and all
Like
of them
today.
too. Okay, like today, yeah?
Somebody
Gave you something?
Yes.
And the rice too?
Gave
Okay.
me rice.
Wow. What a
About-
lucky man, eh? What a lucky
About
man.
2 or 3 kilograms.
3 kilograms, yeah? So you don't have to buy it anymore in the
Yes.
outside, okay? I think you're very lucky today, eh? It
That's
seemed like last week I saw you, eh? You kept so much rice, underneath your table, okay? And I don't know where you want to carry that, okay? You want to sell or you want to keep in your home? I don't know, yeah?
I never sell, but
Yeah,
I
sometimes you give
giving to my neighborhood.
universe, oh yeah?
Yeah, so it's widow
And to the orphanage too, yeah? Sometimes, yeah? The orphanage,
sometime.
okay.
But never to.
You are so
the
wise and
orphanage.
so kind of you, okay? May God bless all of you, okay? And you too, for your kindness, okay? Jesus Christ may bless you in the future, okay? And don't forget to pray for me too, okay? For my future and for my luckiness in the future, okay? And I want you to review, okay? This another topics, okay?
What
Will you tell me about the wisdom about the kindness of the local people, local person in your place, okay, at your town, in maybe
No,
your
we're
town?
talking about the kindness of Sumbawanese.
Okay, Sumbawa first, okay,
Yes.
and later we talk after this, okay. I think the local wise, okay, from the people in Sumbawa, I think it sometimes acts by the friendship, okay, and so many persons, so many people in Sumbawa who can welcome any guest, any kinds, okay, of tribes, of skins, okay, of nations that come to the city or the town of Sumbawa, always come with warm hearts, okay, and no matter, okay, you are from Australia, outsider, or from south of West Nusa Tenggara, any people, anybody in Sumbawa, we welcome you, okay, with warm hearts, yeah, and with slow regards, okay, and they will keep it smile for you, okay, and they will keep your smile too forever in their heart, okay. That's the kindness of the Sumbawa people, okay. And for about this, okay, so far the Sumbawa traditional action or traditional culture of Sumbawa, okay, we sometimes could spend so much time, okay, with the local persons. If you want to know more about the horse racing, buffalo race,
yes.
and even the chicken race in Sumbawa.
Don't you know that last week ship is
Which
coming from Bali to Flores and
which one of those events that you don't know yet? I mean, about the horse racing or the buffalo racing? So race?
They are coming to watching the buffalo race.
Oh, the buffalo race. Where was it taken? In Pamulong?
Yes.
In Pamulong, yeah. Sometimes this event, sometimes this event held in Pamulong because Pamulong has been one of the most great and
it was a week ago. It's held by Miss Vivian's husband.
Yeah, I know that because he is a good guy, okay, in Sumbawa, okay, and he's a professional guy too in Sumbawa. Maybe it just the same like I did when I was in Bali 15 years ago. When I did it in Bali 15 years ago.
My family from Langam.
Oh, your family from Langam, okay. We didn't expect anything at the time in Bali, okay. When I was as a guy in Bali, okay, I was together with my friend, okay. We built, okay, this strong concentrations and the strong friendship that we taking care about the situation of the tourists of the guests that were to arrange, okay, who come to Sumbawa, okay, to watch that buffalo race and the horse racing. They definitely, okay, really very curious about what's really the most attractive parts, okay, about the horse racing and the buffalo race in Sumbawa. Yeah. So I told them everything about this buffalo and this horse racing.
Buffalo race is only in Sumbawa.
That's the thing. That's the thing. Okay, the most important thing that we need to, thanks to the God, okay, because of the mercy of the God, we still could conduct, okay, this buffalo racing and everywhere, anytime in Sumbawa, okay, especially before rainy season or after rainy season comes, okay. We also welcome that weather, that climate, okay, in order to respect, okay, our ancestors, okay, our ancients, okay, in the future, okay, to hold and to conduct this buffalo racing, okay, to as our thankful to the gods after harvest time, okay, and we sometimes invite everyone and every guest from the overseas or foreigners, okay, or from the outside of Nusa Tenggara Barat, especially in Sumbawa region, okay.
How many tourists that have you ever
when I was stick that time in Bali, okay, by 20 years ago or 15 years ago, I was together alone at the time, but with my friend, okay. Some of them didn't know actually, okay, what was the presentation of the buffalo racing or the horse racing. But the horse racing almost dominant in Indonesia. Because why did they really so curious to come to Indonesia, to come to Sumbawa to watch the horse racing in Sumbawa? Because the jockey, okay, the rider of this horse racing is different with another cities in another town in all of us any part in Indonesia, you know, in Jakarta or in Java, okay, the rider of the horse racing is a big man, okay, it's big, but it's different with Sumbawa. It's very little boy, okay,
under 10 years.
Yeah, maybe it take from the elementary school, okay, under 6 years, okay, because the smaller, okay, the loading of the horse itself, okay, I think it is the faster the movement you will get. Who's that?
That's my grandpa.
Oh, they're watching us, okay?
Yes.
Where's your grandpa? Okay.
Here in Sumbawa.
May God bless him, okay? Because I need to pray to my God for our prosperity, okay? And for our luckiness in Sumbawa, or not just in Sumbawa in this office, but also on road, okay? Along the way home, okay? In the village or in the town, anywhere, okay? So welcome to all our friends. Anyway, we could see that in Sumbawa town, okay? So many traditional attractions, okay, that could be found, okay, by the visitor or by the foreigners, by the strangers, by the guests, okay, who has a desire, intention to come to Sumbawa, okay, because lonely or with group or you're alone to come to Sumbawa or by your family, okay, it doesn't matter, I think, okay, it takes only a few minutes, okay, from the Sumbawa airport, okay. To take the traditional transportations, okay, or by Grab, okay.
So when the last time you handle a tourist?
The last time I handled the tourist, it's about, if I don't mistake, okay, in 2000, 2004 until 2006, okay. Before I was inaugurated as the civil servant. Yeah.
It was 10 years ago?
Yeah. 20 years ago, you know?
Oh, 2000 years.
Yeah, 20 years ago. Yeah. Why did I told you just now, okay, like that? Because I had ever, okay, I felt everything, okay, and I did it everything. My job is a great job for me, before I become a civil servant like this, okay, before I go to the government station like this, the government office or the government work like this. Because one of the unbelievable thing that when I was a guy, okay, I had so many time that freely, okay, along the street, along the way. When I want to use my time wisely, it's depend on me, okay. When I don't want to use my time, I want to free, I want to break, or I want to lie down on my bed. It's depend on me. It's up to me, okay. So nobody could instruct or order anything, command me, okay.
Yes.
They cannot command me from any distance, I mean, okay. While now you are my boss, okay, you cannot command me by your order, okay, because I had that time very free, okay. At the situation before I had been inaugurated, okay, been crowned as a civil servant by the government. So that's why I become a guide at the time. Still, I had a strong memorized, okay.
When you are in Sumbawa, you never handle a tourist anymore.
Oh, I had ever. But not just at the time. Recently, by 6 months ago, okay, I took a tourist, okay, from the
in a big group.
Okay. They came from Holland, okay, and some of them came from Russia and China too.
How many are there?
Approximately about 10% at the time, okay, approximately 10%. So we didn't take any retributions, okay, outside of the ticket that has been made before by the travel agent. So we could not separate, okay, buy the ticket from the travel agent or to the ticket that we made by ourselves, okay. So in this conclusion, okay,
how many they have to pay for?
They need to pay for me at the time per hour, okay, per hour. So per person is 250,000 rupiahs. 250,000 rupiahs because I book it before, okay, before they come to Indonesia, okay, by phone, okay. I need them to be called by PABX at the time. Who's that?
Miss Yati.
Jufredi. Who is him? What is he now?
Yati Jufredi.
Jufredi. Hello, Mr. Jufredi. Okay. Glad to see you again in this great occasion. Okay. Hope you could join us. Okay. Anytime, anywhere. Okay. Who want to join with us again? It is not crazy time. Okay. This is a great time. If you want to make it crazy, it depends on all of us.
Yes, you should make a course for them.
Hey, okay. Now I want to discuss a little bit about the
tourists.
This tourists and the
tourist destination.
Wait. The how to say
The
that,
amount of the
important tourist destinations. I mean, in Sumbawa. Okay, this tourist destination in Sumbawa, one of the most greatest thing. Okay, that must be attention by the government. Okay, why I say like that? Because there are so many great tourism objects that must be visited by anyone who comes to Sumbawa. Okay, is that the tourist, the stranger, the people from the overseas, or the neighborhood regency? Okay, maybe you are from Sumba, okay, or from Mataram, from Lombok, or from Bima. You want to visit Sumba? Any guests are welcome. Okay, with warm-hearted. Because what? There are so many places in Sumbawa has not been explored yet. Okay,
like what?
you know, like a cave, bed cave, yeah, the bed cave in Liang Patang. Okay,
Liang Bukar.
Liang Bukar. Not so many people, so many persons knows about it because the accumulation of the time that has been close to the place of the Liang Patang or Liang Bukal, okay, because it's owned by someone, okay, so it's not owned by the government, okay,
Not the government?
not owned by the government. It becomes the property, okay, becomes the property of the director of Bank of BPD Sumbawa, and he was my family too. He was my family too until now.
What is his name?
Mr. Masasung, okay, Mr. Masasung. He's the owner of the Liang Patang until now. So the Liang Patang will show so many attractive things, okay, to all the visitors. There are you will see the coolest river, okay, maybe in Sumbawa, okay, the clearest river in Sumbawa, not the same like any other rivers in Sumbawa.
Hey.
Oh. No. Wait a couple of moments, okay? Answer Mr. Ino's shows, okay? But it's not showing up now. He's still taking care of the prescription from the doctor to the patient, okay? So be patient, please, okay? To wait for Mr. Ino coming. Okay, so this program, okay, is not just meant to fulfill the empty time or the busy time, okay, for the staff like us in this community health center, but also to discuss something in an English program, okay, to increase our knowledge, okay, our logical way of thinking, okay, the way of making something better, okay. Besides, we create this content like this, although we don't seek, okay, we don't search for money, okay. Bidan, Lisa midwife. Well, let's continue.
Yes, let's continue.
Yeah, probably we might or we could end this in 10 until 2 minutes ahead, okay? because
Where are you
and
going?
me are the same busy, and maybe you have another business to do. I don't want to forbid you.
Yes,
It's your
I'm
business.
prepared
Maybe you want to prepare
to
something for going home,
back home
back home, yeah. For tomorrow or for today?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So at what time tomorrow you start to catch your bus or your plane?
No, I'm going by bike.
By bike.
Motorbike.
Motorbike. That bike?
Yes.
You go alone?
Ini yang dari
Anu ada titipan uang ini.
Oh, ada. Oh, ada ini.
Ini ya, kolek nih.
Ya, tunggu.
Mas Eko ini.
Ada apa gede kayak om?
Ini Mas. Mas. Dari Meka. Ya.
dia mau kesini no? Dia no.
Kau kami ikut anu waktu nan.
Ikut apa? Kasih.
Nah,
Itu pit ka
Nus,
binus
gas, setoran di
pit ka.
obat ini saya itu cuma setoran di gue lewat di tanggal 6. Nah ini gue ketek.
manus menongke. Harus berma dia.
Oh.
Ay pit ka sekian lingkaran itu om.
Tay, mau sini
Kita injeksi.
Pika injeksi. Maka
Coba. Mi lo tuh nih.
Ndi,
Tambah dia
Mama.
ndi.
gue makin penuh ini. Makan bos.
Ini lo kan dong. Yang di ini nyaman dalam saya di mana kan?
Mado nyaman nyaman.
Lamu beru.
Ini tai. Bidang bulan itu.
Pengkakan panah tenang
Ya.
Mas ya.
El dari bom dokter sih kan.
Kita akan makanan ada
Kita injeksi.
Kalau tak apa nomor.
Siapa?
Yang mulai,
Dan bayar sih om.
yang
Di tamat si live nih.
Om.
Hai.
Kita kira batuk pilek 2 tahun.
Oh, mulainya tadi.
Tah? Tah?
Batuk pilek 2 tahun.
No syrup.
Hah?
No
Boleh?
syrup, yes.
Kebelet dikenal darunya.
Hah?
Kebelet yang banyak darunya itu. Berapa 2 tahun?
Anu kolak ke tempat.
Yang saya di sini itu nih kan 2 tahun.
Apa-apa. Kolak pagi 4 nih. Ya. Kamu udah sirup. Sirup sampai 1 bulan.
Kalau di perut,
Hah?
terus
Om.
Amin kalau beli apotik langsung nih disirup nih bawah.
Om.
di perut.
El pang buka makanan sekian.
Hah? Hah?
Ada di perut ada di obat sama di barang.
Sama.
Ay, nada mahal smartwatch की happy.
Now we continue the conversation.
Yes, you wish, Mike.
What else?
Okay, there is a little bit thing that very attractive I want to discuss. Also, I want to discuss in this great morning. It is about the profession of one of the vice of the ministry in the cabinet of Mr. Prabowo. She is Mrs. Mrs. Amin, the Professor Dr. Stella Christie. Okay.
So you like her so much?
Yeah, I like her
You
so
are,
much because one of the
big
represent
fans.
the big fans of Mrs. Professor Stella
professor.
Christie, yeah, the professor, because I like her so much, not only because of her dignity, okay, or on the behalf of the cabinet of the president of Mr. Prabowo.
Miss Andy.
Ini Umi. Omeh, KBK. Oh, itu siaran langsung.
And
what?
I want you to know, okay, besides she is very genius and intelligent woman in maybe or probably in Indonesia, the only one in
How old
Indonesia.
she is?
She is now it's about 35 maybe. Yeah.
She's just 35?
Yeah, she's just 35. Not about 40. Yeah. and I admire, and I am really one of her big fans. I am proud of her, okay, because of her intelligence, okay. She could speak about the cognitive science, okay. Or rarely, okay, the person spoke about the cognitive science in almost all of her parts in Indonesia. Nobody could maybe to speak like Mrs. Stella had, okay. Why I say like that? Because the intelligence of the people or the person are different, okay.
How she can read our brain.
She could write, she could read our the memory she writes and the memory she could read is different than any others, okay. She could read our memory, okay, faster than ever, okay. When you want to talk, when you want to say something, before you want to say that, she will say that firstly, okay, because she learns about this cognitive science as an artificial intelligence, okay. She worked as the chairman in the Tsinghua University research, okay, as the research chair, okay, in the Tsinghua University. So the Tsinghua University must pay for her every month around 150 until 250 million rupiahs, okay. Her
And
salary.
How much in Indonesia?
Yeah, 100 until 250 million rupiahs. Okay.
Wow.
So in dollars, you can calculate. You could calculate it's about $50,000 US per year. Okay. So this is very expensive. This woman's brains is very expensive because it's her intelligence. Okay. Her adaptive thinking, the way of thinking ahead. Okay, is different with any others. Okay. So she is not only a professor or doctor or a cognitive science in her field, but also she can take these nations, okay, the same to bring the innovative and the innovations from her brain, okay, to make it a concrete, real in the real world like this, okay, it's real time like now, okay, but it's need maybe a valuable time, okay, to create it all, okay, from the Indonesian people, okay, or from the students of the college or high college students.
Professional.
Really, she is really indeed indigenous. She is, or we can say that she is very genius. Maybe in these ages, okay, she is, or she acts as the brain of Albert Einstein, okay, like Hans Albert, maybe the sons of Albert Einstein. So, what do you want to know more about Mrs. Stella Christie? Okay, you know she is really the original girl original woman from Medan. You know
her school.
Yeah, her school is in Ursula in Jakarta. You know, okay. She finishes her school. Okay. From elementary school until senior high school in Jakarta, if I don't mistake that in Sula. And he moved, he got scholarship from Singapore, okay?
And not from Indonesian government?
Not from the government. At that time, okay, she grew up by the school in Indonesia, okay? But the scholarships, okay, she got by herself from the government of Singapore. And then she moved again, okay, Swarthmore University in USA. Yeah, and she got her Bachelor of Administration title, okay, that's a great title.
I was thinking that she got a scholarship from Indonesian government to the Harvard University.
Oh, so you thought at the time she got from the Indonesian government? No, it definitely not, because okay, she actualized by herself on YouTube and by video YouTube in TikTok, but it's not actually she got from the Indonesian government, okay? But the Indonesian government from the school in Indonesia has made her to grow up to become a professor like this. Even okay, the bachelor itself, okay, not taken from the Indonesian government, okay. So the scholarship, okay, she got from the government from Singapore.
Have you ever heard about the LPDP?
LPDP, yeah, yes. Maybe LPDP, but she see.
Why don't you apply to?
Wait! I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about any other things. Okay, it doesn't mean that or I don't mean that to do not talk with the PDP, okay? But I want to talk first about the accessible, okay, of the knowledge of Mrs. Stella Christie, okay? And I admire her so much, because she's really very different, okay, with the lecturer in Indonesia, with the professor of Indonesia, okay? I don't mean that I don't admire the professor or doctor from the title Indonesia, but I admire her because she took all the title from abroad, you know? Yeah, because she spent almost the entire of her life in Harvard University and also in Swarthmore University, the three biggest and the best university in United States. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Not only in United States, but in the world.
Yeah, but also in the world. And now, the Tsinghua University, okay, before she applied everything to move to university
is number one in China.
Number in China, so it's very difficult, very hard to enter the Tsinghua University. So nobody, okay, not everyone who could enter the Tsinghua University without brilliant brain, okay. So you must be smart and smartest, okay, to enter, to enroll.
That's why every children in China, their parents is want them to.
Yeah, want them to enter the Tsinghua University, and they will make their parents to be proud of them. Because the Tsinghua University, one of the biggest and also the best university in China, okay? Because the graduates of the Tsinghua University. I've never, and I don't interested. I'm not interesting, okay? I don't interesting to apply to enroll, okay? My personal applications, okay, to Tsinghua University. I'm still wait from the answer from Mrs. Stella Christie. How would you recommend me to go to everywhere, okay, without to see the Tsinghua University, okay? Don't discuss with me like this, but it makes me complicated and very confused.
You have to start to teach your kids to get
okay, this is the way, okay, of my head, my brain, okay, and the way of me to think something, okay, with like this, okay. If you want to make your memory, okay, to be great, and you want to memorize something, to have a strong memory, okay, you need to talk to everyone, anywhere, okay, everywhere, okay.
Yeah.
If you are concentration in the language, okay, language without talking, okay, it's useless, you know.
Day while we are
yeah, so I
living.
will give you every day, okay, the new vocabularies, okay, and even the
Yes.
newest vocabularies, okay,
And for free.
for free too, okay. You don't have to take a course outside in this office, okay. Just come here, okay, every 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning, okay.
I learn
Just
English,
broadcast the
just-
live
yes.
and TikTok. I think everyone will see both of us here.
Yes.
Okay, we don't create, okay, the useless knowledge. We are creating, okay, useful knowledge for everyone, okay. Inshallah,
I learn
God willing.
English just by the social media.
Yeah, that's good. I think I admire you too, okay? I love you because you have never create or make your English from the outside of media. Maybe you have never take a course before, yeah? But for me, by 32 years ago, when I was in junior high school, okay, I took the English course in some course place in Sumbawa.
Where
I
is-
took that 6 months, okay? 3 months and the course B and 3 months in course C, okay?
Where is the course place?
The course place it's situated in the heart of Sumbawa, okay? At the center of Sumbawa. It's
No, I mean the
the
name.
name of that course board at that time, if I don't mistake, Hatimulia Sumbawa with Handayani, okay?
Oh, Handayani.
Handayani, okay?
In the Port of One.
Yeah, at this shopping center of Sumbawa, yeah. But Hatimulia, okay, is doesn't exist anymore until now because the revolution of the time.
Where it
yeah?
was.
And now the Hatimulia Sumbawa has been taking over by somebody, one of the arranger, okay, of the Hatimulia at the time. He changed the Hatimulia name into Bintang Samawa, okay, into Bintang Samawa. So if you ever heard about Bintang Samawa in Brambiji or in Bintang Sumbawa, that's definitely, absolutely, the name of Hatimulia, yeah,
Not in
because it's one management. No, not in
course.
Galagjango. It's still become the Handayani in
No,
Galagjango.
Bintang course.
Yeah, Bintang Samawa. It's Bintang Samawa.
Bintang Samawa.
Bintang Samawa. So if you hear about Bintang Samawa sometime later in Sumbawa or anywhere in outside Nusa Tenggara or outside in Sumbawa Regency, I think it says one affiliation, okay, with Bintang Samawa. So proudly bring you to make you your brain or your body, maybe we can say that to be stronger, okay, stronger minding, okay, to create the good person in talking conversation in English, okay. So you will be a professional guide in the future, okay, when you could join them, and I guarantee you that, okay, that you could be able to talk English very fluently, okay.
For how long?
Yeah, maybe until 3 months, for 4 months,
Just for 3 months? and
Yeah,
you
3 months.
can
You
talk in English fluently?
could talk in English very friendly, okay. No more doubt, okay. From the beginner, okay, beginner, and then beginner, advantage until expert, okay, intermediate, okay, and expert.
How many
okay?
for a week?
How many seasons, you mean?
Yes.
How many seasons? How many times to meet for a week? Yeah.
Yes, how many?
If you take the economic, you will get 2 times to meet the tensor every week.
Only 2 times?
Yeah, because you will pay
For
that
3 months and you...
Yeah, because two times a week times time 4, okay? Time 4. 2 times 4, it's meeting
Yes.
per month. So you will be
But-
able to
only
one meeting, one meeting, you will get 2 hours, you will get 2 hours. So I think it's for me it's enough, more than enough. I
It
think
was not enough.
for you.
Yes,
But for
because
me, it's
it
enough.
was only for 3 months.
Yeah, because you pay less, Mike. Because you pay less, it's economic rate. You pay only 250,000 per month. Okay, per month. If you calculate divided with the time you had been following. Okay. So for me at the time, okay, because I took course in Handayani first, and then I moved to Hatimulia at the second. So I could collect two title at the time. Yeah, the firstly I collect the beginners, and the second I collect intermediate. But when I went to the college, okay, I got the degrees in the college. I was not anymore in the beginner or intermediate. I was crowned and inaugurated to the expert of the English in my class, in my classroom. Yeah, if given by the senior lecturer in my school, in my college at the time. So please don't be so pessimist, okay? You could be, and everyone could be, okay? And even more than we are doing now, okay? Because it depends on the way of us to learn something, okay? If you want to know more, I think that's the key of the successful in the future, okay?
Yes.
You know what it? Like you, Mike? So, are you still in at my side or not until now? You are the same idea or not with me like now?
No, but I thought that only for 2 months and you can't fluent in English.
Yeah, because I took a Frost Junior High School.
So
okay, and
yeah,
not-
maybe we have to learn in outside the
Yeah, you need to learn more. Okay,
Yes.
you need to learn more. Yeah, outside from the
first place.
the course place, the official course place.
We have to-
Yeah, you need to increase more the others vocabularies. Okay, not just from the course place, but also from any references. Okay, you could read any books of English. Okay,
Yeah.
read what's the comparison English.
And use
yeah,
the social media to
social media
learn.
too. Anyway, now you can take it freely from the Google Chrome, whatever, anything you want to get it. I think the Elon Musk or the owner of Facebook and WhatsApp will give you freely. I think.
Yes.
But I think, what about now? Okay, what about now? And sometimes later, okay, the Google Chrome, okay, or the English or the Google Translate, okay, out of coverage area, and you cannot ask to the Google, what will you do, okay, what you want to do, okay, with its time situation, the description like that, okay, nobody you could ask, while the visitors come to you, okay, you are as a guide, okay, nobody you could ask anymore, okay, the translation is very boring and outside of coverage area. Yeah, you are no more credit in your phone. So this needs the feeling of your brain, okay? So you must be the second translator here, okay? After you have been educated by Google translations.
Once in the Mandiri Bank, maybe some person is coming from China and he wants to accept the money from China.
Yeah.
So he used the Google Translate to talking with the security.
Security
Yes.
officer, yeah, security officer,
So-
or the security staffs. Yeah.
They
One of
both-
the staff could
they
not
both-
speak English.
Yes, they both talk.
Could
in,
not speak English.
No,
No. Senior
is-
staff.
no. They use the Google Translate to.
Oh,
talking.
I think that's very pity of them, sayang sekali ya.
No,
It's
but
unfortunately.
it was very, very good for them to. So the other one. is-
That's what I mean before, okay? Without now using the English or the Google translations, okay? By you have memorized full in your head, okay? By you having a strong memory, okay? By having strong vocabulary in your head, I think you don't have to ask anymore, okay? To the Google translation. This make you and anybody else, okay, outside, not just we are talking now, but everyone could follow this way, okay? Okay.
Mostly the Chinese citizen can talk.
Yeah, I know that because the Chinese, okay, don't want to talk in English. They love the talk the way of Mandarin, okay, the Chinese and the traditional Chinese language very much, okay. They seem like Russians, okay. It's the code for the nations, okay, and the Japanese too. They don't want it doesn't mean, okay, or it's not meaning for them, okay, to not to be unlike the English language, okay. But it's the method of them, okay. It's a strong method of the Chinese, the Japanese, the Russians, okay, to keep the secrets, okay, in their countries. Not like in Indonesian language,
But
okay.
they're proud to talk.
Yeah, but
in
they are
the-
very proud to talk in the way of their own language, you know. Like the Japanese and the Chinese, okay, they love to talk in Mandarin or the Chinese. Chi hao hao, like this, huh? Ni hao ma, ni hao ma, xie xie, xie xie, ni hen piong liang, ni hen piong liang.
What
Kamu
does
cantik
that
sekali, kamu cantik sekali. Like that. Only that I know. No more than that. Okay. I want to give you a little bit abbreviation and new vocabularies in the bank terms. Okay. If you want to take your money, you can choose one of the menu withdrawal. Okay. Withdrawal means taking the money from the ATM, automatic teller machine, or anjungan tunai mandiri.
No, but now we can use mobile banking.
Okay.
It was
Yeah,
very
yeah.
easy.
I think the government, okay, and all of the stakeholders in almost all the world, okay, all the provinces or in all countries in the world, again, will ease, okay, the
Yes.
users, okay, by using
Thank you.
this mobile banking, okay, to make us very easy, okay, to do the bank transaction of the bank, okay,
Yes.
or the bank transactions, okay,
Because now we are using the moneyless.
yeah, I think in the outside or in the overseas,
Not
and
cash anymore.
from the sophisticated country, okay. Jadi negara-negara maju itu, not like in the growing country like in Indonesia, okay. Most of them are carrying less of cash, okay. So they are carrying like only a card in their wallet, and they will like this, just to make like a stamp, yeah. Like that, to the ATM,
Yes.
and they will get the money freely by enter the code. So in Indonesia, I think we are now following that sophisticated country, okay, because all of the technology, okay, has been brought out to
Brought.
Indonesia, brought here. Because if we don't follow that country, I think we will be left behind, okay. Kita akan ketinggalan, okay, we'll be left behind. So you need to use idiomatic, okay, idiomatic, left behind, it means ketinggalan, okay. If you don't know about the growing, okay, the fast about the growing of this technology, even by watching television, watching YouTube, or watching on the TikTok, I think will be left behind, because the information is very important, okay, to know everything, the situation, the conditions of the technology itself, okay. While we are using now the transactions or the journal of banking, maybe 2 or 3 more months ahead, you will get the newest technology anymore. Maybe not mobile banking anymore. Maybe you will get another name of mobile
Brain
banking.
banking.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Probably will be like that. Okay. So the growing of the information and the current of the information that come to our country, we must accept it wisely. Okay. Everything will have a positive and negative. Okay. But if you don't use it by wisely, I think you will get negative.
Like your size. Okay, so we are finished right now.
Okay, we are finished now.
And see you in
Oh wait,
next 2 weeks.
wait. One more that I want to explain. Okay, before we are closing this.
Look at my belly.
Your belly is very big. That's very huge. Okay, too much fat. Don't drink too much cold water, Mike.
But I have.
Okay. Virtual account is something that you must have, okay, nowadays, okay. Besides, you have the real account at the bank, okay. So virtual account, you can use it anytime, okay. When you want to have a trade or transactions, by mobile banking, okay, by order something with Lazada or Shopee, okay. Maybe they will ask about your virtual account. Sometimes they will like that, okay.
Yes.
It will easiest us, okay, to process, okay, the transaction at the bank, and it's going to make everything very easy in the future. But it has plus and minus. Okay.
Okay, thank you, and see you in next 2 weeks.
Okay, see you too. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Have a good time, bro. Okay. Be careful on the street. Okay. Oh, you are very silly, Mike.